Did you know that tomatoes come in a huge range of weird and wonderful shapes, colours and sizes? Many of which you probably haven't seen or will never see. Supermarkets typically don't have the best on offer. Most supermarkets are prioritising tomatoes that look the same, that travel long distances well, and are not necessarily looking for the best tasting or the most flavoursome. The selective breeding that gives so many supermarket varieties that classic red shade is also what makes them flavourless. Heirloom tomatoes, or heritage tomatoes as they are known in the UK, are prized for their unique and intense flavour as well as genetic diversity. There are 10,000 varieties of tomatoes worldwide. 3,000 of those are heirloom tomatoes. Some popular ones are the Brandywine tomatoes, they're large ribbed beefsteak ones. The banana legs tomato, bright yellow resembling a little banana. The green zebra, tangy and striped green with yellow hues. Think of heirlooms as the vintage of the produce world. An heirloom tomato is an open variety, meaning that the seeds are taken from the mother, passed down, and are an exact genetic seed match. Or almost exact. There are also a few requirements to be considered an heirloom tomato. It must have been passed down at least 50 years ago through generations of family, tribes, ethnic groups, religious groups, or commercially before 1940. Pollination happens naturally with the help of bees, butterflies, or the wind. While all heirloom varieties are open-pollinated, not all open-pollinated varieties are heirlooms. So what is the point? Why bother with these tomatoes when you can get perfectly good ones in the supermarket? Or why even go to the extra effort of growing them yourself? Well, the first reason is flavour and taste. You get a far superior flavour, ranging from tart, sweet, juicy. No bland, watery tasting tomatoes here. The unusual shapes and sizes are definitely a draw here, going all the way from a grape to a small melon. And of course all the beautiful colours ranging from reds, yellows, purples, greens that you get from heirlooms. Heirloom tomatoes are also brilliant for the environment as they promote biodiversity. Planting heirlooms regenerates seed stock, which creates a more diverse gene pool, both in taste and resiliency. Heirloom varieties are also deeply intertwined with cultural heritage and cultural traditions. They're often passed down through families and communities from generation to generation, carrying all sorts of stories of cultural significance. Take this Cherokee purple tomato, for example, which is one of the most popular heirlooms sold and grown today. It was passed around neighbours from a family that kept it for 100 years, but it originally came from the Cherokee Native Americans.